What's going on, y'all? Go Cardo Go. I'm gonna show you guys what to do when you get a car part that has coronavirus on it. Stay tuned. There's the specimen. The specimen on the front porch. In case y'all don't believe me, it is from China. Lightly dusted. Got your disinfectant spray. You just spray it down. The whole thing. Spray the whole thing down. All jokes aside, guys, or seriousness rather, actually, this is really serious. This part did come from China. It was ordered for me on my birthday, January 23rd. It just got here last week, and today is March 29th. It got here last week finally. It's been at the U.S. Post Office in quarantine, so to speak, for a little bit, you know, with all packages coming from China. I didn't do this. I hadn't ripped it open. It's already been ripped open several times and resealed several times by then. I'm sure in fear of all this stuff going on. Let's kind of see what it is. Open it up here. I'm positive this came in a box at first. And then they went ahead and ripped it open, sealed it, ripped it open, sealed it several times. Hard to do this with one hand, mask on. All right, so we got this open, guys. I know you guys are wondering what this is. See the screws. Pretty windy out. Last survivor. You see it. So I can get this open here. I know you guys are wondering what this is. It's hard to do this with one hand, but it looks like it's been tampered with, so to speak, several times over. Let's go ahead and get a razor to cut this open. I couldn't find my razor for some reason. Go ahead and use these scissors I found. So I'm taking no chances. Every time I come around, I'm opening things up. Gotta sanitize everything. Let me pull this out. Pieces. So we got screws on that right here. Hold on to that. You guys see what it is? 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what it is, then open it up. But I will not be installing this on my car. It's not for the reason you think, you know, not for the coronavirus pandemic or whatever. But I'm gonna be sanitizing the crap out of this. I don't want to scare you guys. And the irony is all this is scaring you guys, of course. I'm gonna take all these parts out of the plastic pieces. Super windy today. Beautiful day, but super windy. Look at that. Look. Golly. We're gonna save all these parts, put them over here. And remember, that one has a screw on them, so we're gonna keep all those over here with the kids' bikes. Got these 3 pieces out. So what this is, guys, this is a front splitter for the scat pack. This is a front splitter for the scat pack, and it's a 3-piece. So basically, yeah. Let me go ahead and open this first to show you guys. don't know if I want to open it. No, I'm not gonna open it. No, I'm gonna open it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it and sanitize it. I'm gonna open it and sanitize it. But as I said before, I'm not going to install this on my car. It looks a little textured on this side, but the other side is gloss black. There you go. The other side is beautiful gloss black. But I'm not going to install this on my car because I already have another one on the way from Icon Motorsports. Now the reasoning I have another one on the way from Icon Motorsports is because, plain and simply, this is the beauty of it. So it looks good, but I'm gonna go ahead and sanitize it. I'm not going to install this, as I was saying, got sidetracked. I'm not going to install this in my car because I have another one from Icon Motorsports. Now the reason I'm not going to install this because this one took months and months to get here, and I didn't really have the time until now. I'm off work for a few weeks or so. I have the time, so I didn't have the time before. So what I did was I went ahead and ordered the other one from Icon Motorsports. All right. So this one took forever. Didn't even know it was going to come. I've been in contact with the seller in Shanghai, China. And, you know, they didn't know what was going on. I didn't really know what was going on until this whole pandemic thing blew up while this was already in transit. And it was in New York since February 6th. This was in New York since February 6th. And it's been there from February 6th up until last week. And again, I'd say this delivered on the 22nd, 23rd, 24th, somewhere around there. I don't know. I don't remember. I just know it took forever. So I went ahead and ordered one from Icon Motorsports. It's going to be in another video. I'm going to show you the install of that. And that one came within 4 days. 4 days from when I ordered it and waited. And on the 4th day, it came in, no issues whatsoever. Look at all this blow up. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, sanitize it, and then I'm gonna put it up for sale for cheaper than what you would have gotten it for on eBay. But yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Look, I sanitized it and then, look at that. Gonna sanitize it and then clean it all off for the next person to have. You know, get it all clean and right for them. Don't want anybody getting sick. I'm positive this doesn't have any issues with it, but you know how people are now and will be for a long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean these off and then sell them because I don't need them. I have another one, which I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, I don't want to hit the camera with these hands, so check that out. Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Franz with Brave Ruler Gallery, our new online store. Something different for you guys to sport, a little more flair, a little more art. Look no further. This is a place for you. Make sure you check us out on our online store. The link is in the description. Buy you some new merch. Look cool, feel cool, be you.